Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlike your liked posts by date on the Instagram app for PC following the latest update. If you've ever wanted to clean up your Instagram likes or just remove some old favorites, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your activity. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Menu to expand the list. Next, find and click on the option called Your Activity. This is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform. Inside your activity, look for the Interactions section and click on it. Now, you'll see a list of different types of interactions. Click on Likes. This will show you all the posts you've liked, neatly organized in one place. Here's where the new update comes in handy. At the top of the Likes page, you'll see an option called Sort and Filter. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific date or date range. This makes it simple to find posts you liked on a particular day or during a certain period. After you've set the date, click Apply. Your liked posts will now be filtered according to the date you selected. Next, click on Select. This will let you choose multiple posts at once. Go through the list and select all the posts you want to unlike. Once you've made your selection, look for the Unlike button and click on it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply confirm the step, and those posts will be unliked instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to unlike your liked posts by date on Instagram using the PC app. This is a great way to keep your account organized and remove any likes you no longer want. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.